So guys, I saw my SP in my dream, and he was so loving, so sweet. Like I saw that we were in a hospital, and I gave birth to his child, and like I was unconscious, like I didn't know what was happening around or something like that, and he was just beside me. He was looking after me, he was just beside me, and I didn't even know, like he was waiting for me to be awake and maybe to talk to him, or to and so he was sleeping beside me, and he told me that like I don't know, like I've always seen that I've always not it's not just seen, I've always imagined that our first child would be a girl and the second child would be a boy, but I don't know, like that was our first child, but in the dream I saw that that was a boy, and he told me that it's a boy, and it's not like that I was surprised or disappointed, because it's our child, so it doesn't matter about the gender, but I still want a girl in the first time. Anyway, there are actually many emotional reasons why I want a girl as our first child, is because one thing is that I want our first child to be looking like him, and sort of be like him, and our second child, a boy, should look like me. Matlab, he should look both like him and me, but more like me. Like they say, right, that one child should be the one child looks more like the father, and one child looks more like the mother. So that's how I want it to be. So like people tell me I look more like my father. Uh, and also people tell me I look more like my auntie. So that is because my mom during her pregnancy has seen my auntie for almost like 7-8 months or something. So that is the reason I look like my auntie, I look like my grandfather as well. So but the color of the skin, that's like my father, and I'm just describing these things. I do not want to comment on the skin color and stuff like that, but it's just that you inherit different characteristics of different family members, or the DNA of your family, right? So these are some of the things which I inherited from my biological uh, parents, as in my father, and of course my mother, but yes, but all my nature and things, all my morals, they are like my mother only. So as many of you guys know that my father and mother were like, they don't live together, they had been separated and divorced and stuff like that. So anyway, I do not want to talk about it. It's just that I never could live both with my father and mother since my birth. Like they were separated before that only. So yeah, so today when I saw this dream, he was just sitting beside me, and then eventually when I got up, he slept beside me, he was hugging me, and he was like, that kind of pamperedness when you give birth to your SP's child, that thing was there, and I was feeling so good. Like he was more concerned about me even more than the baby. Like the people were taking care of the baby, like other family members, but he was taking care of me, and that felt so special to me. uh, I don't know, like it's not like I deliberately think about our baby first and then I go to sleep. In fact, there are times uh, I don't deliberately think about the baby and go to sleep. I think about my SP, obviously, but my long term goal is to have a family with them, and I think That's the end goal which I more or less my conscious subconscious mind focuses on, and it gives me what I want. So when you command the subconscious to give you things what you want, you will see that. And the more you move into the new script and more you believe in the new story, the more you will see proofs of that, and the more you will focus on that, and the more you will attract things like that. So that's about it. I just wanted to share this dream, and I wanted to give this message that you can even make a dream diary. Like I was writing this to somewhere. Like all the dreams I get, I usually write it somewhere. So sometimes you can just read that out when you want to feel the end goal again and again, or you can make meditations out of it, or mm, I mean, you can do anything about it. Like you, what I mean by making meditations out of it is that if you repeat it 2-3 times, when you are peaceful, you will feel that end goal. So that's the thing you can do. And my channel is always a collection of meditation and rampages. So of course I will keep doing that, but this is just an idea. You can do it too. Like whatever dream you get, you can just keep recording it somewhere. It's kind of good to come back and read those words or listen to those words. So that's the thing. Yeah. Thank you.